Hi everyone! I thought I'd tell you a story about how I went from working in the city of London to cooking for the Prime Minister and the Premier of China. So I decided to quit my job because I didn't enjoy it. I then set up the business with my two sisters in Manchester, a restaurant, and we basically, worked very hard in the business to grow it, and then got a phone call one day saying, would you be able to cook a lunch for these bigwigs? And so I had to plan the menu and prepare it, and obviously deliver the actual dish itself. So I did that, and I guess that's the pinnacle of my career, and that is why I've ended up in the food business, because I love food, I love cooking, I love serving people, and I love to, kind of like meet their needs as well. And food is a very exciting arena for me, just because it can transform people's lives. So that's my kind of like background, how I changed from finance to cooking.